my parting advice, again, unsolicited life advice here, is not to just weigh the whole thing on some combination of salary and prestige, right? You want to go work for some big name tech company, Google or SpaceX, or some sexy new startup, and make $100,000 a year starting. That money evaporates really fast if you are paying $4,000 a month for a studio apartment in San Francisco, right? And if you are actually working an 80-hour week, then your effective hourly rate is not any better than somebody who's actually working a 40-hour week, right? So my career advice is definitely don't just think about it like that, but weigh in all of the work-life balance stuff, right? So what's the actual salary? What are the hours per week? What's the vacation time like? What's your commute time like? What is the family leave policy for those of you who want to start families? All that stuff. That is a much better way to think about it than just like, oh, I want to brag that I work at Google, okay? And that is absolutely not to say, like, if you think, I want humanity to be an interplanetary species, and I want to see humans on Mars in my lifetime, and I am willing to go work my butt off at SpaceX to make that happen, like, absolutely go do that. Don't let me or anybody else tell you not to, but do it because it makes you happy and not just because you want people to be impressed that you work at SpaceX, okay? That is it. Last lecture. You don't have to listen to me anymore.